a teen arrested in the UK reportedly in connection with Rockstar Games.
Yeah, just a quick update.
UK cybercrime officers announced they helped arrest a teen from Oxfordshire. No way. Got the wrong guy. He's in Oxfordshire.
Yeah.
So, Harry Potter or whatever. Where's he from? Where's Harry Potter from?
London, England?
You sure about that? You're not a Harry Potter?
I'm not, no.
Oh, wow. Who is? Mo is?
Maybe.
Somebody's a Harry Potter. I feel like his age group is more on the Harry Potter side.
Yeah, sure.
Anyway.
Nothing wrong with it. It's good. I like it, but I don't follow it. I watch the movies.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's pretty good. I feel like that's good enough for me.
Sure, yeah. I like the world. The wizarding world.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I feel
Why
like
not?
something you might be, because you're always into those type of dragons and things.
Yeah. I tried butter beer recently. They had it here.
What? Am I supposed to know what that is?
It's what they drink in the world.
What world?
Harry Potter.
Oh, you know. See, what are you talking? You can't. What are you? You know things I don't know.
Well, I watch the
You
movies.
sound like an expert over here. Because you're into the dragons and things and the outfits and all that.
You gotta mention the outfits. It has nothing to do with outfits.
Because you're the most defensive about the outfits. That's why I had to go back to the outfits.
No, I hear
when
you.
you have the cloaks and the capes and stuff.
The guilds.
Exactly. You know exactly what I'm talking about now.
Yeah.
So they caught the guy, or at least somebody that they think could have connections to it, a 17-year-old. Suspicion of hacking. Oof. Rough. Though cops have yet to provide any details about the person in custody, tech journalist Matthew Keys wrote, based on unknown sources, that the 17-year-old was arrested over the Rockstar hack that leaked early footage of Grand Theft Auto 6 and threatened to leak the game's source code. The hacker also reportedly claimed responsibility for the Uber hack that allowed black hat access to the internal Uber Slack and company websites. Wow. Yeah, I guess, well, you know, when you're that age, Will, 16, 17, you're goofing around, OMG, you're kind of testing your boundary. I'm not defending.
Yeah.
Not defending.
Proud.
Not defending.
Yeah.
You're 16, 17, you're goofing around. I don't even know what the punishment is for something like that. By the way, it's all alleged at the moment, but what is the punishment for something like that? I mean, is it civil? Do they go and say, look, this is our potential lost revenue because you goofed on us?
Yeah.
That's trouble for a 17-year-old.
Cyber jail.
That's right.
No.
I think that's a real thing. Cyber probation. No,
Yeah.
you can't go on. Yeah, it's a real deal.
No internet.
Wow. Well, listen. Good luck to everyone involved. I think I said that before in a previous story. Good luck to everybody involved. Everybody involved. Everybody involved. Good luck.
Well, isn't it a good thing that they caught the guy or supposedly caught the guy? Because it prevents other people from trying to hack as well.
Yeah.
Like there are repercussions, even if you're 17.
Yeah.
Problem solved or what?
Well, good luck to everyone involved.
All right.
Good luck to everyone involved. It's just tough, man. You see, it's a kid. It's tough. I realize there's different rules, you know.
But he's 17. You know?
What,
He's not
what,
like,
what are you doing? Life in prison? What are you doing here?
he's not like 8.
What are you doing? What's the punishment for this?
Cyber jail.
That's
Cyber prison.
okay. That's it. Then fine. Yeah. Then good. But I feel like I feel like it would be more than that. Will. I hate to break it to you.
He has to apologize to Rockstar.
Oh, I think it's gonna be a little more than that. Just saying. Anyway,
Money involved?
good luck to everyone involved.